How to fix Bluetooth delay on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Bluetooth delay on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to simply open your settings app like here, and then go to Bluetooth right here. So click on Bluetooth and choose the device that you want to connect or that has delays. For example, I will choose this one, the very first one. Just click on the I button right here on the rightmost part and click on Forget this device and click on Forget this device once again. And then this should fix your issue. So what you're going to do now is to reconnect with this device that you have forgotten. And then if the issue still persists, you may now go back to settings and go to general right here. Go to the bottom of the page of general and click on transfer or reset iPhone. So click on it and click on the very first option, which is reset. So make sure to click on reset and not on erase all content and settings. Click on reset network settings, and then type in your passcode. And then what this will do is that your network, such as your data, your Wi-Fi, and including your Bluetooth, will be refreshed or reset. Then what you're going to do is that whenever it asks you to reconnect to your device, for example, you need to reconnect it. And then again, if it still doesn't work, please contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center on your location. So that's it. That's how you can fix Bluetooth delay on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.